Hello everyone, myself Sriram. We are going to bring you to the presentation of natural environment. Good morning everyone. But generally, what is an environment? Environment and everything that present around us is an environment. This includes all living and non-living things in our surroundings of life, and human beings and animals is entirely depend on this environment. Environment plays a major role in giving birth to new life and in the growth of life and survival of life. Due to increase in human population, environment is affected adversely. Knowingly or not, unknowingly, we are causing to this damage to the environment. Water, land, air, fuel, and soil, minerals or metals, and home civilization belongs to this. We generally survive on this to survive everything. Not yet strong. The growth of population has increased day by day. By increasing this demand on this population, depletion of natural resources are potentially leads to severe scarcity in coming years ahead. If this current trend practices, water scarcity, desertification, air population, loss of biodiversity, and lung depletion will be more critically in this coming years ahead. All of this eventually have impact on humans and animals. For example, forests are example provides habitat to 77% of the nature environment globally. This threatens to birds and natural trade on human Indian timber estimated a very good price on markets. Environment is majorly affected basically to earth science generally recognizes spheres like lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere are the corresponds like rocks, water, air, and life respectively. Features of natural environment. Natural environment consists of all landforms and other various resources available to the nature. For for example, mountains, rivers, valleys, vegetation, and animals consists of this biotic as well as abiotic component. The biggest environment problems are like climatic crisis, accelerating the planet and rates of the above things. Now, my friend will continue the topic.
Hello, myself Chandra Harish. Now I'm talking about environmental pollution. Environmental pollution is not a new phenomenon. It remains the world's greatest burden which facing humanity. And the leading environmental issues, causes of morbidity and mortality rate, man's activities through urbanization, industrialization, and mining and exploration are the forefront of the global environmental pollution. Both developed and undeveloped countries are also indulged in these environmental pollution things. Although awareness and stricter laws awareness and stricter laws are in developed countries are committed to a large extent protecting their environment. Despite the global attention towards pollution, the impact is still being felt due to its several long-term consequences. The chapter examines the types of the pollution, air, water, soil, and the causes of the effects of pollution, and proffers solutions in combating pollution for a sustainable environment and health. Environmental pollution is one of the serious global challenges. Wildlife organisms have a slower degradation rate of hazardous materials. Currently, advanced molecular biology tools along with conventional approaches allow us to rapidly degrade or accumulate hazardous materials from environments. This can help modify our microorganisms to gain ability to sense and degrade hazardous chemicals from contaminated soils, oceans, in turn allowing us to grow vegetation and improve crop productivity. First of all, as we take an environment as social responsibility, environmental pollution represents an obstacle to the economical exploitation of coal deposits mainly. In industrialized countries, the rules for protection of the environment are stricter than in developing countries. Thus, to get a license, open mines involves lengthy procedures, which in turn cause delay. Indian authorities have also started to put stringent actions against those mining centers. Consequently, ecological problems can also be totally prevented, but such measures are costly. Some environmental consequences of mining and processing coal deposits are deforestation, land damage, global warming, water pollution, vibrational environmental impacts, because the scale of individual mining is increases. The current trend towards mining is opinions and decision making may develop selected should be compatible with the country's economic situation. Now my friend will continue the other topic.
Hello, Anil. Can you unmute the mic, please? Anil, please unmute the mic.
Natural resources are resources that exist without any actions of human mankind. These include all valued characteristics such as commercial and industrial use, scientific interest and cultural value. On Earth, it includes sunlight, atmosphere, water, land, includes all minerals, along with all vegetation and animal life. Natural resources can be part of heritage or protected in natural reserves. There are various methods of characterizing natural resources. This includes the source of origin, stage of development, and by their renewability. On the basis of origin, natural resources may be divided into two types. Biotic. Biotic resources are obtained from the biosphere, such as forests and animals, and the materials that can be obtained from them. Fossil fuels such as coal and petroleum are also included in this category. They are formed by decayed organic matter. Abiotic abiotic resources are those that come from non-living non-organic materials. Examples of abiotic resources include land, fresh air, rare earth elements, and heavy metals. Includes ores such as gold, iron, copper, silver, etc. Considering their stage of development, natural resources may be referred on the basis of recovery rate. Natural resources can be recognized as follows: renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Thank you. My friend will continue.
Hi, my name is Harish Kumardi. I am here to say about the renewable resources and non-renewable resources. As my friend says, renewable and non-renewable resources are natural resources only, but renewable resources means we can continuously get the resources like solar energy, wind energy. Non-renewable resources means it will not continuously come. Crude oil, crude oil, coal, etc. Renewable resources we will use for many ways, and that also we are not using waste. But renewable resources means we are using renewable resources are completely useful and it will recontains, and non-renewable resources it will not recontains. And then my friend will continue the other topics.
Hello, Saishwar. Continue with the topic. Hello, Saishwar. Respond.
Hello guys. Is it audible?
No, Saishwar.
Yes,
Low.
Yeah, please go ahead.
It's very low.
Air pollution is a mixture of solid particles and gases in the air, car emissions, chemicals from factories, dust, pollen, and mold spores.
Okay, continue, Saishwar.
In ozone forms air pollution, it's also called smog. Some air pollutions are poisonous. Natural source. Some of the natural source of air pollutions are organic compounds from plants, sea salt, suspended salt soils, and example from the Sahara. Other natural sources are released during catastrophes such as volcanic eruptions and forest fires. Air pollution is the presence of substances in the atmosphere that are harmful to the health of humans and other living beings, or cause damage to the climate or to particle materials. There are different types of air pollution such as gases, ammonia, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, and nitrous oxides. Air pollution may cause diseases, allergies, and even death to humans. It may also cause harm to other living organisms such as animals and food crops. Climate change, ozone depletion, or habitat. Next, my friend will continue the same topic.
Climate change includes warming and emissions greenhouse gases and the resulting large-scale shifts in weather patterns. Though there have been previous periods of climate change, since mid-20th century, humans have had an unpredictable impact on its climate system and caused change on global scale. The largest driver of global warming is the emission of greenhouse gases, which is more than 90% of carbon dioxide, which is CO2, and methane. Fossil fuel burning for energy consumption is the main source of these emissions, with additional contributions from agriculture, deforestation, and manufacturing. Another factor, temperature rise on land is about twice the global average increase, leading to desert expansion. The intergovernmental has issued warming also increases the risk of triggering critical thresholds called tripping points. Now we are going to impacts of climate change. It impacts on natural and wildlife. Recent warming has driven many terrestrial and water species poleward and towards higher altitudes, high atmospheric CO2 levels, and had an extreme and health livelihood. It impacts on carbon sequestration. Now my friend will continue.
Guru, are you the next person?
Is it audible?
Yeah,
Please
audible.
go ahead. Please go ahead.
Carry on, carry on.
Okay. My topic is about the importance of the environment. Now, what important? What is the important? Environment plays an important role in a healthy living of human being. It matters because it is the only home that humans have, and it provides air, food, and other needs. Humanity entirely life supports system depends on well-being of all the environmental factors. Today, in now we have our forests, rivers, oceans, and soil provide us with the food we eat, the air we breathe, the water we irrigate our crops with. We also rely on them for numerous other goods and services. We depend on for our health, happiness, and prosperity. The ecosystem, all the communities of living organisms found in a specific place, their habitats are their interactions in which we live provides natural services for human and all other species that are essential to our health, quality of life, and survival. In cool places, our air temperature will be decreases to. Hello, friends. I'm disconnected. Hello.
Yeah, Guru, carry on.
Sai Kumar, please continue the topic, man.
My topic is about health and social benefits of nature. European countries, European, European society faces a growing range of health and social problems. Respiratory diseases from air pollution, thought by some of yesterday problem, continue to affect European cities. Heat stress is an pollution thought by some of urbanized society is a growing risk. There are multiple solutions to complex problems outlined above. These reports present a summary of the evidence of the challenges, the role of the nature that can play in addressing these challenges with different stakeholders are doing that can build on a health, social, natures, sceneries, and the element of roadmap. This report has been written by an institute, the European Environmental Policy EEP, partners Collingwood Environmental Planning CEP, WWF, and building on the study for DG ENV European Commission and building of insights from many speakers and participants of today's workshop. Structure of the executive summary. It will have improved climatic conditions, improved air quality, noise and human health, quality of green public spaces, reduced social tension, opportunities for employment and politics. It then presents a synthesis of insights on the role of policy, focusing on the Nature 2000 network and green infrastructure, governance insights, and elements on the roadmap for realizing the health, social, nature sceneries. Thank you.
Hello, Sriram.
Guru, anything else to say? Anyone?
Everyone completed their presentation. End of the group discussion with the conclusion. Final
Okay,
conclusion.
okay. I'll conclude the meeting, Guru. Then we will see the ways to keep our earth clean. The basic things are carry your own carry bags, invest in reusable water bottle things, and carry your own reusable cups. Refuse using single-use items. Avoid products which are made of microbread. Shop in bulk. Make sure that your waste goes to right place. And compost. Follow 3R principle like reuse, reduce, and recycle things. Do not litter on the road in the neighborhood, or littering causes land, air, and water pollution. And plant more and more trees. This planting trees will make the beautify of the surroundings, as well as keep ourselves healthy. Greener surroundings look beautiful, and also reduce pollution to keep ourselves healthy. Save our environment, save us. Thank you for joining, guys. Thank you all.
Thank you. It's a pleasure meeting you.
Thank you.